you get it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Don't turn it on yet. She's pulling the thing out with her teeth.
No, what'd I tell you about that? Don't do that.
That's because I do that all the time.
No. Nope, leave it in. No!
Oh, let her use the phone the right way.
Who's on the phone?
Where's your phone?
You're crazy.
Who are you calling?